Hi, it's 4 p.m. and I'm exiting the hospital, and I've decided to vlog at this odd hour for the next 24 hours because mood ban gaya. Right now I'm at Idea Cafe. It's this little cafe in the gym. So I'll sit and study here until my phone drains out, then I'll go work out. First off, we do an outfit change and then we do our curly hair routine, which is basically just water. Then I go to the gym, which is so crowded, by the way. Oh my god. And I'm not a big fan of using my phone in the gym, so this is literally the only video you're going to be seeing from the gym. Hydration and a little bit muscle check, and then we're done. It's raining, my god. This is just bad. भाई मैंने socks भी पहन लिए हैं. I don't know why I don't remove my socks when I know it's raining outside, but it's yucky right now. I can either protect myself or my bag, and I've decided to protect my bag because it has hospital material and I am low-key dying. Then I do Kuragal shopping for dinner, and then I go irritate my friend Ishta, which is a surprise for her clearly. दोस्त के कमरे में आवारा गर्दी. Guys, मेरे स्पीकर में पानी घुस गया था, but I was saying कि इशिता has just become a बुआ. Niece, I don't know the Hindi name. का नाम है चिक्की. तो उसके पास रूम में बहुत सारी चिक्की पड़ी हुई है. And I love it because I'm a chicky lover. I have an important music audition coming up. So I'm trying, okay, every day I'm trying to give 20 minutes to sing properly. And I finally have the time. But I'm damn hungry, so I'm gonna sing for 10 minutes and then start making my food. మండిపడుతుంది హృదయం మరిచే మంత్రమైన జపదే సమయం నీతో నీకే నృత్యం ఎందుకు చెప్పవి సత్యభామ. This is why I need to write down my lyrics. తగువా మగువా నా పొగరంటే నీకిష్టం కాదా గోరే. Welcome to Food with me. ये भीगा हुआ बदन तेरा इस दिल में आग लगा दे. Let's boil the andas first because that is a time-consuming task for reals. I'm feeling like Pranjali Papnai. If you know, you know. My best days are the days when I have enough time to come back and cook, and today is one of those days and I'm so grateful. Kyabare baby, come on baby, wake me up. I love Shimla Mirch so much. I behave like Shinchan, but one thing I disagree with in totality is the hate for Shimla Mirch. Let us nanchu the poha. Nanchu matlab भिगोना. I do not have a black rubber band. दूर से देखा तो 4 टकले उछल रहे थे. पास आके देखा तो 4 अंडे उबल रहे थे. Apologies, I am quite hilarious sometimes. If I do not have enough of the garlic and the mirchi in my food, I think you should cancel my food. I do not know the lyrics. Guys, I'm not scared of putting tadka anymore. Now I've cooked so much by myself. जब वो पटपट होता है तो मेरे को I am fearless. Fearless Farah. Wow. Which movie is that? A dialogue from? Quiz. Dil dhadakne do. Answer. Archit Bulur should include tadka as one of the DDs for acute cough. हमें ऑनियन को पकाना है until it's golden brown. Oh my god, I'm losing it. I'm doing the Aradagul Untada. Saranta. Something like this. I'm not Samantha, Ruth Prabhu official. So much estimation I put salt, no? Like I have cooking experience from past 20 years. Most importantly, in poha, you also put turmeric. Oh wow. Fast. Yeah! Oh my god. Guys, you are seeing the worst side of me. Okay guys, my world famous poha is done. That's awesome. That's a very awesome. Guys, this is just the beginning, okay? You wait what I'll do to this. Poha is supposed to be eaten with bhujia. Okay? And ande are supposed to be eaten with chaat masala while watching Kenneth Sebastian I hope you can see him. And I'm so happy because Kenny, Biswa, and Veerdas, everyone released their specials this week.
Mom's also keen.
I'm so good at this.
She's also throwing
I'm sorry.
football and all.
Y'all have
Get
to
a
eat this.
reaction from
One
her.
day I will make mass
want something.
poha distribution on earth.
ये जान के कि उधर शमशान है.
I would just like to say that not even Sonimbo ki Shakti can convince me that doing dishes is a fun activity. Feeling like Shravs. You know Shravs? From Happy Days. Ishq di gali vich no entry. Feeling like one strong woman because I'm having my protein.
Thank you. Goodbye, Sriya. Bye-bye. Nice seeing you.
She's just shy, guys. We have settled in the educational study room. The task list for today, I don't have a task list. All I know is that weekend se pehle I need to finish CVS and I need to finish correcting this one GT. And I really do not have the time for that considering I have one night duty day after. After that, I will ghode bech ke so. So where is the education happening? Plus weekend plans, balle also I have to do, no? So, oops. But we'll try to finish. This will be done. Pakka. Okay, gangsters. I was studying in the lobby. Then we found out that Nazneen passed step 1.
I did.
Yes. Say congrats.
Just very, very,
Say
very.
congrats.
Unchur pass.
Congratulations. Bye. I'm alone in the lift. I'm all changed up into night clothes. Anyone who's judging me for not taking a bath, I'll take one tomorrow, okay? My room, my rules.
Good morning. We have less patience, so I woke up a little late today. Which is 7:30. Okay. Can't believe I'm calling 7:30 late. Okay. Let's go. We'll put songs. Morning, morning.
I have very recently realized that purple is actually one of my favorite colors. They look nice? Yo! I think they look nice. For most part of it, the only makeup I do in the morning is this. Usually avoid carrying books, but I have a feeling that today I might need, so I'm just gonna carry first aid so I can just read up. I usually do ICU rounds in the morning. I can't keep my hair open. So we're gonna carry this. I'm very excited. Let's go. I wanna say hi to the gods. Let's say hi to the gods. What's up? Now that we've WhatsApped the gang, we can dip. My entire mental health stands on the fact that I get to walk in the morning with music. Okay guys, I know you missed Neha, but she's here. Yes, we took auto to hospital because it's raining. We were twinning. You say something. Do you want to say something to the audience?
No.
She has no words. I'm sorry, guys. I absolutely cannot bring myself to shoot here. I'm in the ICU, but I'll finish this and go to the wards and shoot. Okay, so I told Sneha she's my besticle and she's not understanding the intensity of how much that means. Yes, who's my co-intern? It's my other besticle who's typing the discharge, and I'm being very useless by telling her to please come, let's go get coffee, but she's not listening.
No, we are going to get something.
Okay, it's 8:30. We're done with writing all the, updating the labs, taking X-ray pictures, and discharges, and we have time for coffee. Talk about efficiency. So we're going to the fancy block to get coffee because we're fancy like that.
They have their own soap. If you wish to.
Wish her sickness, wellness because she's little sick. Guys, look, your doctors are working through sickness and you're still complaining, okay? Whoa, guys. Garaj, garaj, aaj megha, ghanan chayori. Hello. My testing. Although most of the work we do in rounds is very non-medical, I love it because my unit is so nice and they teach us a lot all the time. So we keep making notes too. Surprise discharge popped up. I'm gonna go do that now. Rounds are done. I have to go to OPD to help out our head of unit. I basically sit in Sir's cabin, and there are a bunch of cases to be seen. He sees the first 4, I see 5 and 6, then I present it to him, so on and so forth. But it's fun, and I feel very validated whenever he he approves my findings and my diagnosis. So yay! Obviously, I didn't shoot because I was seeing patients, but it was quite cool, dude. I mean, my first case itself today was Wilson's. Not even diabetes, hypertension, just Wilson's. Like, that's a little crazy. But yes, we're done. And I'm done pretty late. So unfortunately, my friends have already eaten. Now I will go eat lunch alone. No, it's fine. It really happens in internship, dude. So many times you have to just have one little sad alone meal. But if you make it sad, it's only sad. I think of it as a great time to watch something nice. I am so easy to please. I'm so delighted right now. Less sugar. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to this as a little bit feeling like US might invade this paneer. Like an absolute dumbass, I left my umbrella in the hospital. Now I'm just playing Khatro Ke Khiladi with the rain. Hi, I have half an hour until ward round start. Ishita is doing ICU rounds today. मैं इधर bathroom आई थोड़ा हल्का होने के लिए. Also to top up my makeup. हाँ, my Vaseline. Anyways, let's go. Let us go and study for a bit before rounds start. This is the only time in rounds that you're going to see me recording anything because I'm here checking some patients' old files. Guys, little bit I'm done with the day, but I have to go and do some stupid medical records work. That's annoying, but I think it's gonna be done in 15 minutes. So my day ends, and so does this vlog because I'm bored now. Actually, no, I'm just like, this is getting too long. Okay, bye. Hi, I'm very happy because now I'm gonna go out and get coffee and go study in a cafe with my friend. She stopped teaching. She's so camera shy.